Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI or ChatGPT to be more specific for online learning. So basically nowadays, instead of like going to Google and search for topic X and see the information about it, maybe you can get some wrong ideas in Google. So how we can actually avoid that? We can just go ahead and open this website, which is OpenAI. So let me just open it. And from here, guys, go to the top of the page and click on try. Now, after this page will be opened for you, they will ask you first for login. So you can sign up for create a new account or log in for an existing account if you have it already. Now, what we are going to do is, for example, let's check if it is working. So I click that and I type hi to check if it will answer me. So it took it some time, so maybe it will give us an error. So let's keep watching it. Okay, it answers us. Now, what I'm going to do is, for example, can you teach me algebra? So as you can see, here it will take it some time. Help requested. Now we will look at what he's going to do. So it can take it some time, I think, because the traffic is so high. So of course, algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with symbols, rules, etc., etc. So now, would you like to start with a specific topic, or do you have any questions? I want to start with basics stuff. So now it will collect data, and after that it will like give us the basic stuff to learn this algebra. Of course, you can use that not only for mathematics, you can use it for I don't know, for programming languages, in whatever domain you want to learn about. So yeah, as you can see here, it will start give us some information, etc. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.